Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create this type of Facebook 3D image by using Photoshop and Wadley. So first we need to go to this website wadley.net. After that, download this application Wadley. Make sure you have also download the GRE 32-bit version. Without it will not going to work, so download it first and install it. After that, install this Wadley program. Now we need to go to first Wadley application. Then I have written some text here, so copy it first and going to paste it here. After that, click on go. Now you can see the text here, so you can randomize it. Now I'm going to color and click on Kindle and go to layout, straighter edge. Again go to layout and click on mostly horizontal. Okay, after that save this image as PNG. Save only PNG. Now close this application, go to Photoshop and create a new document, and the size is 2000 by 2000 and click on create. After that, click the adjustment tool and select the gradient option from here. Now we need to select the gradient style to radial and click the reverse. Now click on scale option and increase the scale a little bit, not too much. It looked fine for me. Click on OK. Now right click on it and rasterize this layer. After that, go to filter, then click on distort and select the spherize. Make sure amount is 100% and click on OK. Now I am going to merge this layer. Press Ctrl to select this background layer. Then right click on it and click on merge layer. It will merge any gradient options. After that, click a new layer, and now we need to import the Wadley picture. So I'm going to drag it to the Photoshop. Decrease the size a little bit. Now increase size and select the magic wand tool to remove the background. First turn off this background layer. Okay, we need to rasterize it first, then delete it and press and hold shift button to select these sections. Press delete and check if there is any white portion. I think it's okay. No, here. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Now turn on the gradient background layer. After that, copy this layer by pressing Ctrl Z. Sorry for that. copy another. Make sure do not move this layer outside the circle. So we need to select this section again. Okay, now select the all layers except the gradient. After that, right click on it and merge layer. After that, go to the filter and click on spherize. We don't need to go to the distort and spherize. Now you can see, so basically here is our depth map, and now we need to create the main image. So click on this layer and create a new layer. Select the white color and paint here. After that, open an image. So select this object, so I can select it by quick selection. Now go to edit and copy, edit and paste. Press Ctrl T to increase the size. So here is our image. Now we have to save this image. Go to file, save as. Now turn off this layer and turn on this background layer. Go to file and save as. Select the JPEG from here. Enter the suffix _ depth and click on save. Now we need to upload it. Select the both file. So here is our final effect. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also share this video. Thank you.